And me the breaking news be bremo say truck driver be what the car no akọ bo police ni bi na me mamoti ase say police ni no yeah they no echo hospital, he didn't die. Now the story that is coming out, unfortunately police ni no was just a we yes say we share impact no what ase yeah didn't call hospital, we were still alive. But we go hospital no. And if you don't know the story, let me just give you a brief, and then I have some updates on this particular story. And East Legon. The see and say truck road driver be was flaunting traffic rules. That is a wotia ganamra kwan so. And a police for a year say almost stopping in the way fee and a two car now with Johnny ye. With Johnny and a police for no equatina womokamu and a womo chasing Anna, one more echo chain or ever baby. Now one more watching will baby, no driver and a year, and I just won't see if he can him to now locking the whole can him. The sounds of police for so one more emphasis driver no ebe two can the Johnny Akoniti police from you Baku SCA and a Bakuko Jina can him na Bakuko Jina can chi. Driver no at the car na share reverse etwi car no fa so ema wo the car na bo police ni na wogina na chi no ema ni twi ni wo fom because police ni na tare ehuki wo car na se na still driver ni twi ni wo fom ena later wo tia so na chesa afei na tare no ebete ya police ni no chesa ye jan wo kwan so na we pra driver na the car na fa ni so twi ni wo fom enti abrante bia no wo tonka wo sa area no wo hu die AC no wo hu se driver na edwane akọ na branch na kotena na car mu na wo chesi truck driver no truck driver no hu se branch na achi na ewie no na truck driver na ene ni mate esifi car ni mu a wo mu edwane ye. Now that was the story I brought to you yesterday. The update and it's a police for the identity of the driver aba and no and at a down screen so now what the car crana. The car is registered 2020. Not just a wash here. So what the car we a year juma and chair 2020. And I said we will go din sem phone say. Driver ni din aba. Your friend no bonsu or say and no and a police for Eddie Ababonti. So it tells you the police are actually working to arrest this driver because I don't know whether he has been arrested. They yet no and say we Janet. But police for Angasa Babonti and yet the Accra Regional Police Command Ababonti at the woman sem ababetuja. Now I'll read it so we know the official statement from the police. But that's the name of the driver, Osei Bunsu. And we come police you know. Yes, I ascended there and I didn't AC Madina Zongo Junction. Exactly, Madina Zongo Junction. Now this is a blow by blow account of the incident as captured by the statement issued by Accra Regional Police Public Relations Officer DSP Efia Tenge and some of the other two abonting we any DCM. Now Endra na some we see was say Endra at bare 9 a.m. and a driver Bunsu or say na wochi a Ford Transit bus and the car number GR 48820. Na the AC and as a driver no now go two passengers a woman na nkrofo mienu and na etinim a car no every a year Madina Eko Baoleshi a year UPSC area hoside Baoleshi so now driver no odu a year section of the road in front of a year Trinity Theological Seminary no and actually say he was actually intercepted by police back where friend Sergeant Moses Apia and one other officer bia won also every Madina moto MTT di womo hwe police womo hwe cars nonsense so no na the see and say driver and charge and dey born and say soliciting for passengers unauthorized parking and obstruction of other road users at the Zongo Junction. Na say driver no baby a any kwan say wo park e na wo share da ko park wo ho a senia ya nim Ghana ha say senia eto de bia trotro for no seven previous a wo mo carelessness wo mo no baby any kwan say wo park e ubon say na wakwa park e wo ho na wo say wo train passengers and wo pe passengers and a police for chain na sa de we ni na e bae. Now Police statement no to us say the driver was intercepted by a Sergeant Moses Apia. Moses Apia ena were police ni na yekuno no. Na the year can and they said they actually ordered him. No, Moses Apia stood in front of the vehicle. I think no, Moses Apia and police ni yekuno no. Sorry, but the Omo can say Moses Apia stood in front of the vehicle and ordered him to come down from the vehicle. Without any provocation, the driver became furious and ran his vehicle over the police officer and was trapped under the vehicle. Okay, so this is what the police are saying. Say Moses Apia no ono na womuku no. Na tell say waka say driver ni NC, driver ni si ni buefu. E na tell say we tia so e na body kun police ni no. Womu say he then dragged the police officer on ground to a distance of about 54.50 meters, injuring him severely. Ochi police ni wo form. The suspected driver fled the scene with his vehicle and abandoned the vehicle and bolted. The police officer who sustained various degrees of injuries was rushed to the 37 military hospital. And now we're modern air course were more obviously for treatment by a good Samaritan. But the police know he died shortly on arrival at the hospital. Now and then I can say police nobody. Yeah, they are called to the police hospital mortuary for preservation and autopsy as custom demands. The Ayate and they said the mate of the driver has been arrested by some members of the public or more around who the AC and a woman driver and the mate and a woman Echo police station. But now I can say the driver is still on the run. But police for at Chicano, the car is in the police custody. Now the car has actually been impounded. That's the right word to use at the police station. Now it's here for share mates in the one channel. Even though he didn't I will bet to me I say mates no bet to me in the film, but he didn't commit the offense. But yes, so say you don't baby and now mates will be named baby driver where you walk. Now Ebufo nya de pa Ebufo enya de pa. Me sure say driver way baby a wakọ tete bia sisi a yede ne picture banche o yede nkra na won to me mpie ye be che no na baby a wakọ tete bia a wo tie news a ekoso efa ne ho no me sure say sisi a we nu ne ho kese just because ne bufu ye say police ni esi ebegina ne car ne chi we nu ne ho kese nti che say ebufuo no wontumi anhye ebufuo ne so wontumi ama wodi ekokum policeman ya. If you remember somewhere around last 2 months where the story been so bramosa of a year wobia wono so nkrofo bi sa revenue foi wo se wo mo tax e won ho wo Volta region ni na ekowi echi no wo the car ekobo abranche ne eku no wono so sa wo kwa abranche ne ho se wo kwa akogye to abranche ne say oh me dey sa to ye amosi ye gigi this is the first time but how dey onim bibi me nyanton hwe mamenton ade na memfa tax no emma ehwa ebufu wo se wo lock shop na branch ne so wo mpene nipa kwa wabasa wo beje tax wakotena kan nim e de kan na abo branch ne etwi ni wo fom na no so dey see na say community no ekọ eye sa revenue authority ho eko share offices ni bibia isi ebufuo is as if sisi ano Ghana for ebimu ntumi nhye chese sisi ebufuo no tumi babro so ana chese untumi ye kasakra wonte obi ne bufu a utu ne fukra won pese wo betie enehe de aba. So the driver is still wanted. Now I told you say a son say a policeman involved in kwandie, be rest assured say the police will arrest this driver. Not even up to 24 hours. Assembly see here today we are seeing the picture of the driver. Not just the police why you're digging into the matter. A release a branch in the picture. Tisisiano enche wo mo bechi na tum se ne ye de a branch e friend Erikojo dua ono so sa ɛyɛ ebufuo no ɛba to was kyɛ ebufuo ba wo wo de home na tobo ana do what I do me wo baby no will become bibi na me bufu a the what I do me free I like me free surrounding him. I leave that place. For now the latest on this, yeah, the bedroom.